Good afternoon, everybody. How are you all? I hope you are enjoying the Vedic mathematics class and you are using these classes at your school's level. Akshit Sharma, Arzav Jain, Kanika Mittal, Kartik Tomar, Khushi, Manav Gulati, Manvi Tyagi, Neerav, Ridhima Singh, Shivanshi Saini, Shia, Srishti, Uday Pratap, Vaishnavi, Aditya Chaudhary. You all are most welcome here. And here I am going to tell you special tricks which we have told you earlier, but that is the called Udhur Triyakam method. That the method of multiplication. How you will do the multiplication fast and how you will make the two-digit multiplication fast. I'm going to tell you this again, and then 3 by 3 multiplication I will tell you. Okay. My name is Dr. Puneet Goyal, and you can have my classes daily at 4 to 5 here at your favorite school, Doon Valley. Urdhva Tiryakam Yagbhyam method. Urdhva Tiryakam Yagbhyam method is what kind of the method and how we will use this method. Vertically is this, cross is this. Vertical cross method is called 2 vertical 1 cross. Answer there. Like if I have to multiply this in one line, what I have to do? First of all, this is called vertical, this is called cross, this is called vertical. 1 cross 1. First of all, I will multiply 3 into 3, that is 9. Now I multiply cross and add. First of all, vertical multiply, you can write down. Second, cross multiply. Third, vertical multiply. First of all, I will multiply 3 into 3, that is 9. Now I will multiply 2 into 3 and 2 into 3. That will be 6 plus 6 will be 12. I will take 2 and carry over 1. Now I will multiply this one. 2 into 2 is 4 and 1 will be 5. Got it? Is this clear to you all? Okay, again I am telling you, like A, B into C, D. Vertical, cross, vertical. Write it down. Step 1, step 2, and step 3. Step 1 is B into D. That is vertical. Then cross is C into B plus A into D. C into B plus A into D. Then third is vertical. This one. A into C. Write it down. That will be in 3 steps. You have to calculate that. If you have written this method, please type W. W in the chat box, please type it. If it is clear, write everything about that. Is it clear to you all? Okay, again I am taking one more example which you have to solve that. Okay, now see, 46 into 52. Now multiply it by this method. 1 cross 1. 6 to the 12, carry over 1, cross multiplication add. 5 6 ja 30, 4 to the 8. 5 5 into 6, 30, plus 4 into 2, 8, 38, and plus 1 will be 39. Again carry over 3. Now this one, 4 into 5. 4 into 5 is 20, and 3 will be 2392. Got it? Is this clear to you all? Anybody if have confusion, you can ask me. You can ask me if there is any confusion. Okay, one more example. 71 into 92 मल्टीप्लाई करना है सिंगल लाइन में. 1 cross 1, 2 1 जा 2. Now cross multiply. 9 into 1 plus 7 into 2. 7 into 2, 14. 14 and 9, 23. 23 will be 3. Carry over 2. Now 9 7 ja 63. 63 and 2, that will be 65. Got it? Anybody have the confusion, you can ask me again. No problem at all. Now see, I can use this trick in this one also. That is the decimal multiplication. Okay. What I will do, 1 cross 1. I will put decimal later on. Decimal will be after 3 digits. Decimal will be put after how many digits? 1 2 3. 3 digits I will put decimal. Answer will be in 4 digits. First of all, 1 into 3, that is 3. Now cross 4 into 1 plus 8 into 3. 4 into 1, 8 into 3, that is 28. Carry over 2. Now this one, 4 into 8 is 32. 32 and 2 is 34. So decimal have been put after 3 digits. No issue for that. Answer will be 3.483 will be my answer. 3.483 will be my answer. Got it? Decimal version is clear. How to calculate decimal version? Yes, cross will be added. Cross will be added. I have written that. That is step 2. That is step 1. That is step 3. One more time. I'll give one more time. No issue. Okay. 0.86 into 2.3. 0.86 into 2.3. Multiply that. 1 cross 1. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 1 will be this. Step 2 will be this. And step 3 will be this. 6 3 ja 6 into 3 is 18. Carry over 1. Now cross multiplication. 8 into 3 plus 6 into 2. That is 36. 36 will be added by 1, 37. That is carry over 3. Now this one is step 3. That is step 2. That is step 1. 8 to the 16. 16 and 3 is 19. 1978. And decimal 1 2 3. I will put the decimal after 3 digits. So that will be my answer, 1.978. Got it? If it is clear, please write C in the chat box. If this method is clear to you, please write C. Everybody, Shivanshi, Akshit, 2 persons have written. Karthik, Mayank. Everybody is clear. Avni, Manav, Riddhi, Srishti, Srishti Jain, Kush, Harshita, Kushi, Riddhi. Okay. Now, it is clear to you all. Now tell me what will be the answer for this. Multiply this and tell me the answer, Vaishnavi. Quickly solve this question very fast. Kartika has given the fastest answer. Kartik has given the fastest answer. Akshit, second position. Mayank, third position. These are the top 3 who have given the answer for this very fast. 1 cross 1. 1089 is the answer. Got it? Well. Very great, very great. Now multiply this, 4.6 into 5.3. Again the method will be used, 1 cross 1. It will be very easy method, 1 cross 1. Simply. Very good, very good. Khushi has given the answer fast. I think fastest answer was by Harshita. Harshita, Daksh, then Khushi, then Karthik, then Akshit, then Kanika, then Manav Gulati, then Shivanshi Saini, then Mayank. Well done. Means you are aware with that. Ridhima Singh, Vaishnavi Tyagi given the answer very fast. Well done. I like your spirit. I like it. Really, you are the most intelligent people of this world. Most intelligent, like Einstein. You can do this calculation only in single line. Wow. Great. In single line you are performed. Now, very good, very good. Are you ready to learn 3 by 3 multiplication or not? Can I teach you? Tell me yes or no. If 2 multiplication is clear, I will tell you 3 by 3 multiplication in single line. You will be able to calculate that in single line. See, first of all, write down. That is the step 1. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4 and step 5. 2 by 2 में कितने स्टेप थे? ये 3 by 3 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन है. 2 by 2 में कितना मल्टीप्लिकेशन था? स्टेप, ये स्टेप थे 3. क्या था पहला? पहला था ये क्रॉस वर्टिकल, फिर था क्रॉस और फिर था वर्टिकल. इसमें स्टेप 1 और स्टेप 5 वर्टिकल है. स्टेप 1 और स्टेप 5 वर्टिकल है और स्टेप 2 और स्टेप 4 क्रॉस है. that will be right side, right side, that will be left side, that will be left side, that will be left, middle, right, left to right, right to left, middle to middle. There are 3 digits, MR. You can write R, MR, LMR, LML. I'll explain you. Please copy this thing. Please, N dot B dot, not a bean. N dot B dot, not a bean it. That is left. That is left into right. Sorry, that is right. That is left into right. That is left. Please write dada. Dada means हाँ हाँ हमने उतार लिया है. ये वाला अगर आपने उतार लिया है, tell me that if it is clear to you all. Quick. Clear? Okay, now we will apply this formula. See, it is the left digit, it is the middle digit, it is the right digit. What was that? First was L, ML, that is right, middle or left side. First of all, right side, middle into right, left, middle and right, then left, middle, then left. First of all, what I will do? I will do 3 3 ja 9. Now, what I will do? Cross of RM. RM. RM cross. That will be this and this. Means 3 into 2 plus 3 into 2. That will be 12. 12 will be 2. Carry over 1. Carry over 1. Now, LMR. LMR. LMR will be what? This will, why this? L with R and middle with middle. That is 9. That is 2. Carry over. C. L, R, M. 3 into 1. 3 into 1. 2 into 2. That will be 3 into 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 2 into 2. That is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. Now, step 4, that is LM. LM, left and middle. What is left and middle? This one. Left and middle. I have to multiply left with middle. Now, 2 into 1, 2 into 1. 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2. 1 was carry over. Multiply. Again, 3 3 ja 9. 3 2 ja 6. 3 2 ja 6. 6 6 12. Carry over 1. 3 3 ja 1. 3 3 ja 1. 2 2 ja 4. 10. 10 and 1 11. Carry over 1. 2 1 ja 1. 2 1 ja 1. 2 4. 4 and 1 5. Now this 1 1 ja 1. 1 5 1 2 9. 1 cross, triple cross, double cross, single cross. One more problem. 3 2 1 into 3 2 1. First of all, I will multiply 1 into 1, then 2 1 into 2 1, then 3 2 1, then 3 2, then 3 3. I have put all the marks there. Now, first of all, that is step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. What will be the answer first? 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1, 2 1 ja 1, 2 1 ja 2, 4, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 2 2 ja 4, that is 10, carry over 1. Now 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 12 and 1 13, carry over 1. Now 3 3 ja 9, 9 and what 10. Got it? Clear? One more I am giving you. Don't worry about that. Multiply that. Step 1 will be 2 into 2. Step 2 will be 2, 2, 2, 2. Step 3 will be 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Step 4 will be 2, 2, 2, 2. Step 5 will be 2, 2. Digits are same, but how fast you will do? 1 cross, triple cross, double cross, single cross. The answer is correct. Shivans, Mayam, all are correct. 49284 will be the answer. 49284 will be the answer. Got it? Now, try this. 5 into 0 and 0, 5, 5, 0. Then 5, 0, 5, 5, 5, 0. 10, 5, 0, 5, 5. Then 5, 5. That will be step 1. That will be step 2. Corner to corner, front to front. That is step 3. That is step 4. And that is step 5. 5 0 0. 5 5 ja 25 0. 25 is 5. Carry over 2. Now 5 5 ja 25 0 0. 25 and 2 is 27. Carry over again 2. Now 5 5 ja 25, it is 0. 25 and 2 is 27. Again carry over 2. 5 5 ja 25 and 2 is 27. That will be the answer. That will be the answer. Got it? Okay. Can we do this calculation by this method? Yes or no? Yes, we can do. What we will see? We will put 0 here. That will be now 3 by 3 multiplication. Now perform 9 into 3. 8 into 9, 2 into 3. Next 0, 8, 9, 7, 2, 3. This. Now 0, 8, 7, 2. This. In the last 0, 7. Step 1. Then step 2. Copy these steps there if you were able to do that. So I made it 3 by 3 multiplication. Nothing else than that. Clear it. How to calculate that? How to calculate that? Now we will calculate that by this thing. Zero. First of all, that will be 3 into 7. Then 2, 3 into 6, 7. Then 1, 2, 3, 0, 6, 7. Then 1, 2, 0, 6. Then 1, 0. 3, 7, 21 carry over 2. Now 6 3 ja 18, 7 2 ja 14. This class Saturday 4 to 5. Sunday 1 to 2. These are the 2 classes of 1 hour each. 10 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday 4 to 4:30 p.m. only. Today is the Vedic Math day. So answer is 8241. 8241. Now calculate this. One cross, one cross, one cross. Many of you are giving the answer very fast. Well done. Well done. Got it? Now try this. What is there? Decimal is there. I will put decimal before one digit here. Rest I will write here. Rest I will write here. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and step 1. Got it? Answer is there, 1392.4. Got it? Time is up to 5 p.m. today. Class will go up to 5 p.m. Okay? Now, see another trick that is called squares from 11 to 99. Means 11 square, 22 square, 33 square, 46 square, any square. Okay, any square you can calculate. Now see, write it down. Squares from 11 to 9 can be tell in just few seconds, just in a second. Okay, now see what is the method. See, if I have to find the square of this, I have to put 2 arrows there. 2 square I will write here, 1 square I will write here. Okay, got it? Now 1 into 2 into 2, that is 4, I will put here. That is my answer, 144. Got it? See again, 16 square I will put into 2 parts. 6 square is 36, but I will write 3 here. 1 into 6 into 2, that is 12, I will write here. 1 square I will write here. Now this will be carry over here, this will be carry over here. So 2, 5, 6 will be my answer. Got it? That is the square trick. Now see, 32 square, this 3 parts. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. Now 3 into 2 into 2, that is 12. 12 will be 2 here, 1 will be here. So answer will be 1024. Got it? One more example. 42 square. This will be here. This will be here. 2 square is 4. 4 square is 16. Now 4 into 2 into 2. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 I will take single digit and double digit will be taken here in the next column. So answer will be 4, 6, 7, 1. Got it? Please write Dada. How many of is clear with Dada means yes, yes. It is clear to you all. Write it down there. Yes, I have told this trick. I am repeating this trick. I am repeating this trick. Because I am telling you a new thing today. But you must know this. Okay. 59 square. This, 3 parts. 9 square is 81. 8 will be here. 5 square is 25. It will be here. Now, in the middle, 5 into 9 into 2. That is 90. I will take 0 here, 9 there, 90. So answer will be 1, 8, 3, 4, 8, 1. Whatever that will be taken later on. Now, who is asking Shiva? 16 square you can't do. Very good. Ans Ranaji, your time is over. You can go. Our time will finish at 5 p.m. If your time over, you can leave. Our time will finish at 5. Do 6 square is 36. I will take 3 here. 1 into 6 into 2, that is 12. 12 I will take here and 1 will be here. And 1 square is 1. So that will be 2, 5, 6. 2, 5, 6. 78 square. This. That will be in 3 parts. 8 square is 64. 6 will be here. 7 into 8 into 2. That is 112. 112, 11 I will take here. 2 I will take here. 7 square is what? 49. So answer will be 4, 8, and 49 and 11 is 60. 6084 will be the answer. Any 2-digit square can be done by this. Any 2-digit square can be completed by this. Got it? Okay. Now, the square formula also applicable in 3-digit if middle is 0. If middle is 0, like 102 square. 102 square. How we will use? See. Now I will take 3 things. It will be 2-digit. It will be 2-digit. It will be 2-digit. Answer will be in 6-digit. 6-digit answer. Okay, first rule. Now, what is the square of 2? 2 square is 4. I will write 0, 4. What is the square of 1? I will write 0, 1. Now, I will left 0 and multiply 1 into 2 into 2. 1 into 2 into 2 is 4. That is 0, 4. So answer will be 1, 0, 4, 0, 4. Note it down. Note it down there. Now, one more time. 106 square. This, it will be in 2 digit. Middle will be 2 digit. And left side will be 2 digit. 6 square is 36. 1 square is 0, 1. Now, I will left 0. 1 into 6 into 2. 1 into 6 into 2. That is 12. So answer is 1, 1, 2, 3, 6. That is my answer. Note it down. One more I am taking. 209 square. This will be of 2 digit. Middle will be of 2 digit. And this will be of 2 digit. Now, 9 square is what? 81. 2 square is what? 0, 4. I will left 0. 2 into 9 into 2. What I will multiply? 2 into 9 into 2. That is 36. So answer will be 4, 3, 6, 8, 1. That will be the answer. The method which I have told you will be applied in 3 digits also. It will be applied in 3 digits also. Okay. Now, see, 5, 0, 8 square is to be calculated. 2 digit, 2 digit, 2 digit. First of all, 8 square I will write here. 5 square I will write here. I will left 0 and multiply 5 into 8 into 2. That is 5 into 8 into 2. 5 into 8, 40. 40 into 2, 80. I will write here. So answer will be 2, 5, 8, 0, 6, 4. Got it? Okay. One more question. 909 square. 909 square. Calculate this. 909 square. Wrong. Harshita, it is wrong. I have told you answer will be of 6 digit. Answer will be of 6 digit. Here the left hand side is square, here the right hand side is square, and this is the middle digit. 9 square is 81. 9 square is 81. I will left 0, middle digit I will left. What it will be? 9 into 9 into 2. That is 162. I can take 2 digit only. See, so 1 will go where? Here. 1 will go where? 1 will go here. That will be 8, 2, 6, 2, 8, 1 will be my answer. Got it? Is it clear? Now, this method is super duper method, which will give you calculation fast. This will give you the calculation fast. Now, see, this method is also applicable here. Four digit. What I have to do? I have to make 3 parts now. 3 digit, 3 digit, and 3 digit. Okay? 9 digit answer will be there. Now, 4 square, it's 16. 1 square, 0, 0, 1. Now, I will left both 0. I will left both 0. Now what it will be? 1 into 4 into 2. That is 8. How I will write 8 here? This 0, 0, 8. So answer will be what? So answer will be 1, 0, 0, 8, 0, 1, 6. Got it? Whatever the square trick, I have told you the same thing we have did here. No problem at all. Got it? Please type. Yeah. Yeah. You could understand that. You could do solve that. Okay, now can I solve it? Can I solve it? Yes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 8 square will be what? 5 square will be here. 8 square will be here. In middle, I will left 0. In middle, 5 into 8 into 2. 8 square here. 5 square here. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? Tell me, my friends, tell me. What will be the answer? Type your answer there very fast. 8 square is 0, 6, 4. 5 8 ja 40. 42 ja 80. And 5 square is 0, 2, 5. So answer will be 2508064. So wait for matrix. Don't think that I have told you earlier. I will tell you always new things which will be very useful. It is to be practice. How much you have the practice, that much you will learn. Okay. 9,009 square will be what? It will be of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It will be 9. It will be 9. In first step, I will write 9 square. In second step, I will left 2 zeros. That will be 9 into 9 into 2. And in third step, I will write again 9 square. That is 0, 8, 1. That is 0, 8, 1. 9, 9 ja 81. 81 to ja 162. So, what is the answer? 8, 1, 1, 6, 2, 0, 8, 1. Is it amazing? Type A. Amazing. You love it and you learned it. Tell me, my friends, if you have learned these all tricks. Amazing. You have to type A. You can give A plus, amazing, amazing. A plus plus, amazing, amazing, amazing. Or you can type amazing infinite. Amazing infinite. But how you will type infinite? There is no digit of infinite in your mobile. You cannot type infinite. This is the amazing grade which you will give. I hope you will learn new things. And we will meet there. Got it? Okay. I hope you have really enjoyed that tricks. And we are going to finish. Bye-bye. Tomorrow at 1. Tomorrow at 1 to 2, there will be class. And you have to show me your copies there. Everybody who are here, you have to show me your copies there. Manav Gulati, your copy. Okay, Shivanshi Sani has shown the copy. Well done. Manav Gulati have shown the copy. Well done. What about others? Khushi has shown. Well done. Backup. Shivanshi Sani has also shown. What about others? Show your copy. Open the camera and show me the copy. Khushi. Akshit Sharma, show your copy, beta. Yes, well done. Good. Every question you have written, whatever I have told you today, every question you have to write. Every question you have to write. Okay, friends. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Enjoy the tricks and practice hard. Practice these tricks definitely on daily basis. Okay. Tomorrow at 1, I'll tell you what the topic tomorrow. Wait for the moment. Tomorrow topic I'll tell you. Tomorrow topic will be also very beautiful topic. It will be Anurupya Sutra. It will be Anurupya Sutra. That will be tomorrow topic. That is cube of a number. Cubes of a number. Like square of a number, I'll tell you cubes of the numbers tomorrow. Okay? Got it. Bye-bye. See you again. Sayonara.